In this video, you'll learn how to fix a Google Drive sharing link that isn't working properly. Maybe someone sent you a link and you keep seeing an error, or you shared a file with a colleague and they say they can't open it. Whatever the situation, I'll walk you through a few quick checks you can do to troubleshoot the problem and get that link working again. Let's start with the simplest thing, confirming that the link was copied correctly. A lot of sharing issues come down to a small mistake when copying and pasting. Ask the person who shared the file to open it in Google Drive, click the share button, and use the copy link option directly instead of highlighting the link manually. When you receive or use the link, make sure you paste it into the address bar with no extra spaces before or after. If you see anything that looks cut off, like missing characters at the end or strange punctuation in the middle, it's worth asking for a fresh copy of the link. If the link itself looks fine but still doesn't work, the next thing to check is the sharing settings on the file or folder. Only the owner or someone with permission can change these. Ask the owner to open the file in Google Drive, click the share button, and look at who it's shared with. If the sharing is set to restricted, only specific people listed there can open it. In that case, the owner may need to add your email address or change the sharing type so that the link works for more people. Now, if the file is meant to be publicly accessible or at least available to anyone who has the link, you'll want to confirm it's set correctly for that. The owner should open the sharing settings and look for the section that controls link access. They should change it from restricted to anyone with the link. Once that's selected, they can choose the level of access like viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what's needed. After saving those changes, they should copy the link again and send you the updated version. This step alone fixes most issues where people see a "you need access" or "request access" message. If everything looks correct on the owner's side and the link is still giving you trouble, try opening it in an incognito or private browsing window. This helps rule out problems caused by your current login session or cached data. Open a new private window in your browser, paste the link, and see if it behaves differently. If it suddenly works there, it suggests that your logged-in account or stored cookies might have been causing a conflict. Finally, if you're still stuck, refresh the page or try another browser altogether. Sometimes a simple page reload clears up a temporary glitch. If not, close your current browser, open a different one, and paste the link again. For example, if it doesn't work in one browser, trying another can quickly show whether the problem is browser-specific by carefully checking that the link is copied correctly, confirming the sharing settings, ensuring the file is set to anyone with the link when public access is needed, testing in an incognito window, and switching or refreshing your browser. You can usually get a stubborn Google Drive sharing link working again.